Hello everyone and welcome to another video with Mr. Math. Today we're talking about combination of functions, and on this problem in particular we have two functions, f of x and g of x. The first one is x squared plus 9x plus 14. The second one is g of x equals 2x plus 2. And we have the first part to solve, f of x, f plus g of 3. So the first thing that we need to do is to find what is f plus g of x. Okay, by definition, we know that f plus g of x is only f of x plus g of x. Okay, and this will be x squared, which is my f of x, x squared plus 9x plus 14 plus x plus 2. And this will be x squared, 9x plus x, that will be 10x, and 14 plus 2 will be 16. Now they are asking this one here evaluated on 3. Okay, so this will be f plus g evaluated on 3. This will be 3 squared plus 10 times 3 plus 16. This is 9 plus 30 plus 16. 30 plus 16, that should be 46. And 46 plus 9, that is 55. Okay, that has solved the first part. Okay, let's go to the next one that says f minus g of 0. The first thing we need to do is to calculate what is f minus g. Of course, f minus g of x. This will be just f of x minus g of x. Okay, my f of x will be x squared plus 9x plus 14 minus x plus 2. Okay, we'll have x squared plus 9x plus 14. This minus will affect the entire parenthesis. Minus x minus 2. Then we'll have x squared plus 8x plus 12. Okay, on this one we are asked to evaluate on 0. So f minus g evaluated on 0. This is equals to 0 squared plus 8 times 0 plus 12, which is equals to just 12. Okay, now we need to solve the next one that says f times g of 1. Let's shrink and reaccommodate a little bit this information. Okay, now we have f times g of 1. Okay, my f times g in there means my f times g of x. This means f of x then multiply g of x. Okay, what is f of x? It's x squared plus 9x plus 14. And this, then multiply x plus 2. Okay, if we multiply from the binomial to the trinomial, so it means from right to left, it might be a little easier to do that. Okay, I'm going to multiply like that from right to left. So x times x squared, that'll be x cubed. X times 9x, that will be 9x squared. X times 14, that will be 14x. Okay, now let's use the number 2. That will be 2 times x squared, that will be 2x squared. 2 times 9x, that will be 18x. And 2 times 14, that will be 28. Everything is positive, so nothing will truly cancel out. So this will be x cubed plus 11 x squared plus 32x plus 28. And this is my f times g of x. Now it's asking me to calculate f times g of 1. So This one here becomes 1 cubed plus 11 times 1 squared plus 32 times 1 plus 28. Okay, what is this equals to? F of g of 1, we have 1 plus 11 plus 32 plus 28. Okay, so as an answer, we have 32 plus 28, that should be 60, plus 12, that should be 72. And that should be our answer of f times g of 1. Okay, let's give some space for our last problem. Okay, in our last part, we have f of g of -1. So first thing, we have to find what is f of x divided by g of x. So we know that f of x is equals to x squared plus 9x plus 14 over x plus 2. Okay, can we factor that numerator? Let's see. So this will be x, to parentheses, right? X, the first sign is positive, and the second sign will be positive times positive, positive. Two numbers that multiply to 14 and add up to 9, that should be 7 and 2. And this is divided by x plus 2. And if you can see here, we have the same factor on the numerator and denominator. So those two will cancel out. So we'll have f of x over g of x will be easier if we say f over g of x. This is equals to x plus 7. And then we're asked this on -1. So f of g -1, this will be -1 plus 7, and the answer will be 6. All right, thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful for you.